Usage. Khuba Soil Conditioner is a versatile product that can be used in various ways and at different stages of farming. Here are some answers to frequently asked questions on how to use Khuba Soil Conditioner. How to use. Khuba Soil Conditioner can be used while tilling the soil, spread by tractors, sprinkled by hand, or mixed with water and sprayed in the fields. When to use in. Khuba Soil Conditioner can be used at any stage of farming, at the time of preparing the land, or during seeding, or after seeding. For best results, it is recommended to use the total quantity at once while preparing the land. Will your product work for long term for sugar cane or in some cases like mangoes where the crop is on yearly basis? Yes, Khuba Soil Conditioner is suitable for single use, preferably from the beginning of new cycle, for better results. The product sustains for the entire tenure of the crop. How can you use all required material at once? Khuba Soil Conditioner has been designed for slow release of nutrients in response to the dynamic needs of plants. What happens if it rains heavily? If the top soil is carried away due to heavy rains, our product is lost along with it. In such fields, it is advisable to use Khuba Soil Conditioner in parts. What happens if your product falls on leaves or roots directly? Khuba Soil Conditioner will not harm plant. What if we use excess or less? Excess use of Khuba Soil Conditioner does not harm the plant in any way, but may increase the cost of cultivation. Whereas underuse may result in undernourished plants. It is important to follow the usage chart provided for each crop. How much should we use and when? Kindly follow the chart or inquire with us. How can one determine the ideal quantity of Khuba Soil Conditioner? To determine the ideal quantity of Khuba Soil Conditioner for a specific crop in a particular field, you can conduct a small-scale experiment by marking off a small area and testing the product with different quantities. This will allow you to observe the effects of the product on your crop and determine the optimal quantity needed for maximum benefits at a reasonable cost. By doing this, you can ensure that you are using the correct amount of Khuba Soil Conditioner to improve your soil quality and increase your crop yields. Watering the fields. Khuba Soil Conditioner is designed to reduce water consumption and promote healthy plant growth. In the initial period, water required will be similar to chemical-based fertilizers. However, noticeable changes can be seen within 3 months, and water requirements can be reduced significantly. If the farmer uses only organic fertilizers continuously, the water requirement can be reduced by 70 to 80%. However, such results would be visible in a period of 2 to 3 years. In the event that the farmer is unable to water the land after fertilization, our product does not harm the plant. However, for better results, it is advised to water the crops as early as possible for better results. Our product does not create stress to the plant during hot or cold seasons. This product is not water soluble, therefore it is not suitable for drip irrigation. Reduction of pest and weed. Reducing the need for pest control is an important aspect of sustainable agriculture. By providing the necessary nutrients, plants can develop a strong immune system that is better equipped to fight off pests and diseases. This is achieved through both passive and active immunity. Passive immunity is achieved by providing plants with a balanced chemistry that enables them to absorb the required nutrients. A well-nourished plant is more resistant to pests and diseases as it can produce the necessary defensive compounds to protect itself. Active immunity, on the other hand, is a natural process that occurs within plants. When a plant is attacked by a pest or disease, it produces a response that triggers the plant's production of defense compounds. This response is similar to the way our immune system responds to a virus or infection. By providing plants with the nutrients they need to support both passive and active immunity, we can reduce the need for pest control measures. This not only benefits the environment by reducing chemical use, but it also results in healthier plants and a more sustainable agricultural system. In conclusion, the reduction of pest control through the use of natural immunity is an important aspect of sustainable agriculture. By providing plants with the necessary nutrients, we can enable their immune system to function at its best, reducing the need for chemical pest control measures and promoting a healthier, more sustainable agricultural system. Stronger immune system. Just like in humans, a healthy plant has a stronger immune system. When a plant is healthy, it is better able to defend itself against pests and diseases. This can help to reduce the likelihood of a pest infestation or weed invasion. A healthy plant is also able to grow faster and compete more effectively with weeds for resources such as light, nutrients, and water. When plants are healthy and growing quickly, they can shade out and outcompete weeds, reducing their presence in the area. Healthy plants produce natural compounds that can repel pests or inhibit their growth. For example, certain herbs such as basil, mint, and rosemary produce volatile oils that are known to repel pests such as mosquitoes, flies, and ants. Healthy plants can also attract beneficial insects such as ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps. These beneficial insects prey on unwanted insects or their larvae. These insects can thus help to control pest populations and reduce the need for chemical pesticides. Overall, maintaining healthy plants through proper watering, fertilization, and care can help to reduce the presence of pests and weeds in the area. It can also promote a more diverse and balanced ecosystem, which can help to sustain healthy plant growth over time. Combining with other fertilizers. Khuba Soil Conditioner is an excellent alternative to chemical-based fertilizers as it promotes healthy soil life, which is essential for plant growth. However, farmers may want to combine other fertilizers. Here are some frequently asked questions about combining other fertilizers with Khuba Soil Conditioner. Can we use other organic fertilizer with your product? Yes, our studies have shown that using agriculture waste and other organic fertilizers in combination with Khuba Soil Conditioner yield good results. What other fertilizers are essential to be used with your product? If the farmer uses the required quantity of Khuba Soil Conditioner, then no chemical-based fertilizers are needed. We do not recommend using chemical-based fertilizers or weedicide or pesticide with Khuba Soil Conditioner and our other products because our product promotes soil life like bacteria, fungi, and earthworms. Chemical-based fertilizers can harm these organisms, reducing soil fertility and health. How can we compare? To compare the effectiveness and cost of cultivation, it is recommended to use Khuba Soil Conditioner independently and observe the output. Alternatively, you can test in small areas or pots as advised. Kindly refer simple test to find out harmful content. Explained earlier. Soil improvement. Khuba Soil Conditioner is an organic solution that improves soil health by providing natural nutrients and minerals. Over time, it nurtures the soil with organic matter and reduces the dependency on chemical inputs. Enhances biological activity. Khuba Soil Conditioner improves the efficiency of nutrient usage to produce more robust crops by enhancing the biological activity in the soil. This increased biological activity also increases the biodiversity of soils, enhancing the quality attributes of yield. Improves soil structure and water holding capacity. The enhanced biological activity in our product improves soil structure and water holding capacity, which enhances the overall soil health. Reduces dead organic matter. Fields that have been treated with Khuba Soil Conditioner will be free from dead leaves, dead insects, or dead birds, as fungi and bacteria are able to convert them into plant-usable nutrients. balances soil pH. Our product is neutral in nature and enhances microorganisms, which decompose other available organic material to its essential elements, naturally balancing the pH of soil. Can it be used in overexploited fields? Khuba Soil Conditioner can be used in fields that were earlier over-fertilized, overexploited, and have now become barren. In such cases, we recommend slightly higher quantity for the initial year. With regular use of our product, the soil becomes soft, indicating the improvement in soil quality. In addition to these benefits, the presence of birds and honeybees can be an indication of healthy soil. Other indicators of healthy soil include the presence of earthworms, which are important in soil aeration and nutrient cycling, and the absence of soil compaction, which can restrict root growth and water infiltration. Choose Khuba Soil Conditioner for a sustainable and healthy solution to all your soil needs. Indicator of healthy plants. Khuba Soil Conditioner is a natural way to improve soil health, which in turn leads to healthier plants in farms. Here are some indications of healthy plants that have been treated with Khuba Soil Conditioner. Brix level. One way to measure the health of plants is to measure the sugar content in them, which is known as the Brix level. In general, plants with a Brix level of 12 or higher are considered healthy and naturally become pest and disease-free. Reduction of grass and weed. Healthy land with robust plants have a clear reduction in grass and weed growth. This is because insects are unable to feed on healthy plants and migrate to feed on surrounding vegetation like grass and weeds, thus making them our friend instead of enemy. That is accepting help provided by nature. Glossy shining surface. Healthy plants exhibit a glossy, shining surface due to the production of oleochemicals, which are natural pest repellents produced by the plants. Yield. Khuba Soil Conditioner can also lead to extended shelf life of fruits and vegetables. This is because the improved soil structure and nutrient uptake by the plant leads to the production of healthier and stronger plant cells, which are more resistant to decay and spoilage. Furthermore, the use of Khuba Soil Conditioner can also have an impact on the quality of crops. The improved nutrient uptake and balanced pH levels can lead to better flavor and aroma in fruits and vegetables. Additionally, the organic matter provided by Khuba Soil Conditioner can lead to higher sugar levels and sweetness in crops, which make them more appealing to consumers. Overall, the use of Khuba Soil Conditioner can have a significant impact on the health and productivity of plants, leading to higher yields, extended shelf life, and improved quality. Visible result. Khuba Soil Conditioner will start to act spontaneously for lands which are rich in soil life. That is, farms that have been using organic fertilizer, but may show a delay in results compared to chemical-based fertilizers, typically by about 2 weeks. This is because the natural conversion of minerals for plant uptake takes time, and Khuba Soil Conditioner allows the soil health to improve simultaneously. However, after 3 to 4 usage, the delay in results can be reduced as the soil health becomes more robust. Visible results can be seen after 4 weeks, and significant changes can be observed after repeated usage. Farmers who have used Khuba Soil Conditioner have reported fully grown, glossy produce that is consistent in size, weight, and taste. The produce also has a natural aroma and a longer shelf life, indicating the overall health and quality of the crops. In summary, while there may be a delay in results compared to chemical-based fertilizers, Khuba Soil Conditioner provides visible and significant improvements to soil health and crop yields. The final produce is of higher quality, with better taste, aroma, and shelf life. Environmental impact. Khuba Soil Conditioner is an environmentally friendly product that has no negative impact on the ecosystem. All of its ingredients are sourced from natural sources, which means that the product is biodegradable and does not harm the environment. In the event that it leaches or spreads in the surrounding environment, it still does not have any negative impact. The minerals contained in the product are stable by nature and do not react to water or air like fast-acting chemical or synthetic fertilizers. Therefore, even if they spread, they are mainly utilized by natural organisms to break them down, which is healthy as it enhances the health of the soil. Using Khuba Soil Conditioner helps to reduce the dependency on chemical inputs, which further reduces the harmful impact of chemicals on the environment. It also enhances the soil's biodiversity, which helps to promote a healthy and sustainable ecosystem. This product users should get carbon credit for reducing the carbon footprint. Moreover, the use of Khuba Soil Conditioner helps to improve the efficiency of nutrient usage, which in turn reduces waste and the negative impact of excess nutrients on the environment. Overall, the use of Khuba Soil Conditioner is an environmentally conscious choice that promotes sustainable agriculture practices while reducing the harmful impact of chemicals on the environment. Crops suitable. All crops like grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, all seeds, fiber crops, sugar crops, forage crops, specialty crops such as coffee, tea, spices, and industrial crops.